Up, tap swing.
Level 1, 6 count.
Peter.
Howdy.
So we did mostly sort of stuff we did last week, just better and better. So we had open, goes, turn, and rock, step, change, places. The forward is triple. We have rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step, triple step. We try this in practice to get ourselves moving and a little bit more, into our bodies, athletic and moving each other around. Rock, step, rock, step, triple step. I'm really crossing this line. There's an imaginary line between us. I cross it, and I take my right side the same direction that I was going. I think a lot of you didn't turn enough, so it was a little tricky at first. You get to this moment, but if you turn a little more, it makes it so you can keep going, and it brings your follower with you. And we ask the followers to be really patient.
So try and triple step right underneath yourselves and get scooped up.
That's the idea. So, rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. Then we went right into the tuck turn, and change your places. Then we did the cuddle. It looks like this. Then we go out. Hands like that. And you just fix it. So remember on the cuddle, we do a little wind up with the rock step. I turn my hand over right away so there's a space where we're going to go. Then we get in. One step in action. Rock step, triple step, rock step, triple step, shut up. And that was it. Oh yeah!